Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with a very different video. It took me some time to even come to this video. All I'm talking about today is self-care. But what is self-care? Honestly, I did a bit of research before even making this video. Self-care is not synonymous with self-indulgence. And why I'm saying so? Because believe it or not, this is one of the most trending searches on Google, YouTube, or any other social media platform. Then what is self-care? Well, self-care includes almost everything related to staying physically and mentally healthy. And as per my research, it can include your maintenance of basic hygiene, nutrition, physical fitness, and even taking medical help or reaching out to experts for support for any major issue faced in tackling daily chores or daily routine of our life. Some people can face more physical stress. Some might be battling with everyday mental stress. Whatever may be the issue, any procedure which improves the overall health and well-being will be categorized under self-care. Today, with these simple home remedies, I am trying to build my self-care routine. These are bare basics, but it has been time tested. All these recipes are mostly herbal and are very therapeutic once you apply it on day-to-day basis. In order to have a successful self-care routine, it's very important that all things needed for the self-care routine should be made easy to access and very handy. The more complex on the very beginning we make it, the lesser chances are that we'll follow. By the way, with this video, I am planning to do a daily vlogging. I don't know how much I'll be successful with all the house chores and all the responsibilities around. But I'll try my best to keep you posted about it, either in form of shorts or in form of full videos. With festive season around, there is so much to do. And I wanted to start with the self-care. In these upcoming vlogs, I'll be sharing all good things related to festivities. Various recipes, decorating, and some hard stuff like cleaning and decluttering as well. That's a part and parcel of festivities, isn't it? By the way, if you have watched till here, then do consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon for more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up and help me with the YouTube algorithm.
Smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.